Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about something super interesting, no code. So, what exactly is no code? No code means creating apps, websites, or automations without writing programming code. Instead of complex code, you can use visual tools like drag and drop builders. The no code is becoming popular because it is saves time and makes technology easier for anyone. Even beginners can build projects without being professional programmers. The biggest advantages of no code are easy to learn, faster development, lower cost, great for startups and students. But no code has some limitations. For very advanced or complex software, the traditional coding is still important. That's a simple introduction for no code. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech channels. Would you like to try building app without coding? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.